Life is a whirlwind, an unpredictable mix of challenges, triumphs, and moments that test our mettle. Sometimes it feels like everything is spinning out of control. But what if I told you there was a way to remain calm, strong, and unshakable no matter what life throws at you? That's the power of Stoicism. For centuries, ancient Stoics like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus mastered the art of inner peace. Their teachings, though rooted in antiquity, resonate as profoundly today as they did thousands of years ago. In a world that constantly tests your limits, Stoicism gives you the tools to rise above the chaos and live a life of purpose and resilience. Whether you're grappling with stress, navigating relationships, or seeking your path in life, the Stoic mindset can transform everything. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed or stuck, this is your moment to take control. Today, I'm sharing practical Stoic strategies to help you level up your life, step by step. And trust me, these aren't just theoretical musings. They're actionable, life-changing principles. Let's dive right in. First, let's address something vital: making yourself a priority. You might think, life's too busy. There are responsibilities, people to care for, work to handle. But here's the truth. If you don't prioritize yourself, no one else will. You've likely heard the saying, you can't pour from an empty cup. And it's true. If you're constantly putting yourself last, you'll eventually run out of energy, focus, and even motivation. Making yourself a priority isn't selfish. It's strategic. It means ensuring you're in the best shape, physically, mentally, and emotionally, to show up fully for the people and things that matter to you. Start small. Dedicate a few minutes each morning to yourself. Meditate, jot down your goals, or simply set an intention for the day. These moments are sacred. They ground you before the world's chaos sets in. Self-affirmations might feel awkward at first, but they're powerful. Standing in front of the mirror and saying, "I am worthy," or "I rise above challenges," rewires your brain for resilience and confidence. Add to this the act of setting boundaries. Protect your energy. Learn to say no to what drains you. This isn't about exclusion, it's about inclusion, choosing what truly deserves your time and effort. Think about the ripple effect here. When you're at your best, you're better equipped to contribute to others' lives, whether it's your family, friends, or colleagues. Consider this. Every time you prioritize your well-being, you're not just building a better you. You're also creating a positive impact on the people around you. They feel it. They see it. They're inspired by it. So, ask yourself, how can you make your needs a priority today? And what small changes can you implement to ensure your cup is always full? Next, let's talk about enhancing your appearance. Before you roll your eyes and think this is about vanity, hear me out. Enhancing your appearance isn't about conforming to societal standards. It's about showing up as your best self. How you present yourself to the world influences not only how others perceive you, but also how you perceive yourself. When you feel good about how you look, it boosts your confidence. Confidence shifts everything, the way you walk, talk, and tackle challenges. But this isn't about perfection. It's about authenticity. Find a style that feels like you. Maybe it's a sharp suit, a casual vibe, or something uniquely your own. Your personal style is an extension of who you are. Let's dig deeper. What does it mean to align your outer appearance with your inner self? It starts with self-respect. The small details matter: regular grooming, neat clothing, and good posture. These aren't just habits. They're affirmations. They're ways of telling yourself, "I value who I am." And when you embrace this mindset, it's not about impressing others. It's about honoring yourself. It's about showing up for life with presence and purpose. And let's not forget the power of simplicity. Sometimes, the smallest tweaks, like wearing a color that lifts your mood or trying a new hairstyle, can make a world of difference. These aren't superficial changes. They're expressions of self-awareness. They're ways of stepping into your confidence and telling the world, I'm here and I'm ready. So, how can you start showing up as the best version of yourself today? Maybe it's as simple as organizing your wardrobe, experimenting with a new look, or just standing a little taller. Remember, these small acts of self-care ripple outward, influencing not just how you see yourself, but how the world sees you. Now, let's focus on something simple yet transformative. Smiling. Yes, smiling. It's more powerful than you might think. Smiling doesn't just make you look friendly, it impacts your mood and brain chemistry. Even a forced smile can trigger the release of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. It's like giving your brain a little boost. Stoicism teaches us to control our responses to life's challenges. Smiling, even in difficult situations, isn't about ignoring problems, it's about choosing your attitude. A smile can shift your mindset and ripple out to others. It's contagious. When you smile at someone, they're likely to smile back. You can brighten someone's day and your own with a simple act. Start your day with a smile even before getting out of bed. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Over time, it becomes second nature. It's not about pretending life is perfect. It's about tackling challenges with positivity and strength. A smile is one of the simplest, most effective tools you have. Use it. Let's go further. Have you ever noticed how smiling can change the tone of a conversation? It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. A smile softens your words, making them more approachable. It's an unspoken gesture of goodwill, an invitation to connect. And when you smile genuinely, it's a reflection of inner peace, a signal that, no matter what's happening, you've chosen to anchor yourself in positivity. So, experiment with this. Bring a conscious smile into stressful moments. Notice how it shifts your energy and those around you. You'll find that this small intentional act can have profound effects on your day. Now let's dive into maintaining a sense of kindness. This one's tricky, especially in a world where negativity often feels louder than positivity. Kindness isn't weakness, it's strength, a deliberate choice to treat others with respect, even when it's hard. Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and centered, no matter how others behave. Being kind doesn't mean letting people walk all over you. It's about setting boundaries while staying true to your values. You can say no respectfully. You can step back from toxic situations without hostility. Kindness, paired with boundaries, protects your peace and integrity. When you lead with kindness, you avoid unnecessary conflict and set an example of grace under pressure. Let's unpack this. Kindness isn't just about grand gestures. It's in the little things. Holding the door for someone, listening without interrupting, or offering a genuine compliment. These small acts ripple outward, creating a more compassionate world. But kindness also has a profound effect inwardly. When you act with kindness, you align with your values. You feel more grounded, more connected to your humanity. And here's a challenge: practice kindness in difficult situations. When someone is rude or dismissive, pause. Instead of reacting, respond with grace. Remember, their behavior reflects their state of mind, not yours. By choosing kindness, you rise above the noise and set a higher standard for yourself. Stress. We all face it. Deadlines pile up, responsibilities loom, and life feels overwhelming. But staying calm in the middle of chaos is your superpower. Stoicism reminds us that while we can't control external events, we can control how we respond. Stressful situations will come and go, but your response is entirely in your hands. When you're calm, you think clearly and make better decisions. One of the simplest ways to find calm is through your breath. Try this. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. It's a quick reset for your mind. Another Stoic strategy? Reframe the situation. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? Often, it won't. By putting stress in perspective, you reduce its power over you. Take it further. Develop a routine for managing stress. Maybe it's journaling to process your thoughts, exercising to release tension, or meditating to quiet your mind. These practices, though simple, create a foundation of resilience. They prepare you to face life's challenges with clarity and composure. And remember, calmness is contagious. When you remain steady, you inspire those around you to do the same. Setting your course is an act of rebellion in a world constantly pulling you in different directions. It's about taking control of your life and aligning it with your values. What truly matters to you? Freedom, family, growth. Identify your core values and let them guide you. They become your compass in the storm. Set goals that excite you, not ones that merely look good on paper. Success is personal. It's not about chasing someone else's dream. Chart your path, even if it's uncomfortable. Growth happens when you embrace discomfort. The obstacles you face aren't roadblocks. They're opportunities to grow stronger. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Stay curious and adaptable. Let's delve deeper. Aligning with your values isn't a one-time decision, it's a daily practice. It's choosing, moment by moment, to act in ways that reflect who you truly are. Some days, this will be easy. Other days, it will require courage. But each choice strengthens your resolve. Each step brings you closer to the life you want to live. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Steady, intentional progress. Finally, nurture your wit. Humor might seem out of place in a discussion about Stoicism, but it's essential. Life can be heavy, and humor lightens the load. The Stoics understood this. A sense of humor keeps you grounded and resilient. Learn to laugh at yourself. It's disarming, confidence-boosting, and ego-reducing. As Seneca said, "He who laughs at himself never runs out of things to laugh at." Humor helps you keep perspective. Life's absurdities and ironies become lighter when you can chuckle at them. Practice finding humor in everyday moments. It's not about being the funniest person in the room, but about maintaining a light touch, even in challenging times. Wit is a tool, one that keeps you balanced and grounded. Each of these strategies, making yourself a priority, enhancing your appearance, smiling, maintaining kindness, staying calm, setting your course, and nurturing wit, is a step toward leveling up your life. Stoicism isn't just philosophy, it's a way of life. It's about focusing on what you can control, letting go of what you can't, and living with purpose and resilience. Take these lessons to heart, and you'll find yourself not just surviving life's challenges, but thriving through them. Remember, every small step counts. Start today, live stoically, live purposefully, and most importantly, live well.